August. Like Alex Bajan, long-time member, former Regency, now One Life Fitness. This is attention to the general manager, Mr. Georgiopoulos, to the head of the maintenance aquatic department. Your negligence, it's at zenith. Look at you destroyed the plants outside. You have a hose, I just water them. See, those are expensive plants, $24.95. See, this one may be possible to save. That's another one which is, I just put the water, another one, almost die. So why you not looking for the interest of the company and the decoration for the people? This another, I just water next to jacuzzi, so we're all dry. See, this one almost dry. This is like Alex Bajan, my phone number 571-397-9481, and I'm a member here in and off since May 1989, 35 years. So I'm watering this one here. They're all completely dry, almost die. I don't know if they can rejuvenate from seeds. I mean from roots. They need to be watered twice a day because they're exposed to the sun a lot. Same as this one. See, this one, by now they will be beautiful. Yeah. And you limit the hours now. On Sunday you're only open until 6. They all dry, and they do cost a lot of money. They do cost a lot. Why don't you do some kind of decoration on the concrete wall over there, some mural painting of the beach or something? That's another idea Alex Bajan has. Yeah. I'm putting back now to the jacuzzi.